Hello everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. Today I will introduce to you a special dish. In the past, this dish was only cooked for the Vietnamese kings and the royal families to enjoy. And it was made from precious birds. But now, Vietnamese use pork to make and enjoy this meal on special occasions like the Lunar New Year and traditional holidays. I prepare some chopped carrots to about 1 centimeter square strips, some green beans and chopped beetroot. I boil the carrots and green beans. When the water boils again for about 30 seconds, I take the green beans out and put them in the bowl of cold water. Please watch the whole video to know how I make this meal. 30 seconds later, I take the carrots out and put them in a bowl of cold water. Next, put the beetroot in to boil them separately and take them out after they have boiled for 30 seconds. I dry them with kitchen paper and leave them to stand aside. I break 6 eggs into a bowl and stir them well. I put in 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 4 tablespoons of water into the different bowl. I stir them well. And pour into the eggs. I filter the mixture through the sieve before frying. I put a 25 cm wide saucepan on the hob and turn the hob to the high heat. Put into the saucepan a tablespoon of oil. I turn the saucepan so that the oil evenly coats the bottom of the saucepan. I am also using a brush to spread the oil evenly on the bottom of the saucepan. Then I pour out the excess of oil. Now, I turn the hob to the medium heat. I put in 1 and 1/3 ladle of the egg mixture. I lift and spin the saucepan so that the egg is evenly spread like this. Then I turn the hob to the lowest heat. Until I see the surface of the fried eggs right. I pour out the egg like this to avoid breaking the egg and continue frying the rest. I prepare the pork paste. I take a little bit of this to apply on the egg to create stickiness. Please click on the link displayed on the top right corner of the screen to know how I make the pork paste. I put a sheet of juicy seaweed on the top and spread out to let the 2 layers stick together. I placed a thin layer of the pork paste, about 3 millimeters, in the center, as you can see, and then I arrange a line of carrot. Covered with a thin layer of the pork paste. I put a line of green bean next to and covered it with a layer of the pork paste. At the top, eat the beetroot and cover a layer of the pork paste. Now apply a thin layer of the pork paste to the sides on the seaweed sheet to regain stickiness. I now fold this into half. I am pressing the roll to make a teardrop shape for the meat inside. If you guys like this video, then give it a like and subscribe. We will be happy. I put it on the sheet of foil. I had 3 rolls to steam for 25 minutes over low heat. They now are cooked. I cut them into 1 centimeter thick pieces. Now I am arranging them onto the blade. To make the finished tail feathers for the finished head, I prepare The meal looks very beautiful and it tastes amazing. If you like this meal, please make and enjoy this meal with your family and your friends. And please leave your views on this meal. Thank you for watching.